अभी एक और सवाल है कि x raised to 7 is equal to 196, then find the value of x. Okay, so what we see is this is the problem we are having. So if we just split the terms x whole raised to x raised to 7 and we raise the power to 7, the entirety. So I'll get 14 square. This is 196 is equivalent to 14 square. 14 square raised to 7. We raise both the powers by 7. So what we see, we can use the splitting or the exchange of exponents. So we'll take the entire x raised to 7 outside and we'll take the 7 inside. So what we will get, x raised to 7 whole raised to x raised to 7, which is equal to 14 raised to 14. Hence we get x raised to 7 is equal to 14. Hence we get x is equal to 14 whole raised to 1 by 7. And if we put this value in calculator, we'll get the value as 1.4579. This is the value. What principle we used? We used a raised to m whole raised to n is equal to a raised to n whole raised to m. So we can exchange the exponents. So by exchanging the exponents, we can solve it. That's it. Thank you.